Reflow Civil's management software is going to help you meet your goals of managing your mobile workforce. As well as creating all of your jobs and tasks, you can manage your scheduling, billing, quoting and invoicing, all forms and other project-related documents, reporting, and a whole host of features that will mean Reflow Civils is the only tool you'll need to manage your workflows. Enable managers and project planners to clearly communicate work orders to teams in the field via an app to their smartphones or tablets. Benefit from an increase in distributing information, including detailed specifications, images, locations, PDF documents, which are just the beginning. Assign tasks, vehicles, plant, and operatives to jobs and enforce all your processes, from setting which tasks are to be completed in which order, right down to completing forms. If something changes on the job, dashboard users have the ability to push changes immediately to those in the field. There's no limit to the amount of information that can be added into your jobs as they're set up. So not only does Reflow eliminate confusion, but it also gets rid of a great deal of paperwork.
Feedback about Reflow has been overwhelmingly positive. Sites have found it really useful to a consistency of knowing what they are expected to do and getting the information from the office.
The responsive scheduler with live syncing available in Reflow allows you to drag, plot and assign for your jobs and staff, so you can refocus activities and manage issues as they happen. Quickly select individual operatives or gangs for a job based on skills and roles. You can also view the schedule by days, weeks or months, whatever works best for you. Reflow isn't restricted to using an address to pinpoint the location. Instead, create your marker from a postcode and then drag and drop the marker to the exact location of the job. Get the flexibility to assign jobs to any combination of groups or individuals across multiple dates and locations with Reflow. Receive and complete custom configured digital forms with information that's clear, concise and easily accessible. Remove time wasting and feel the benefits of decreased errors, increased compliance, increased accountability, enforced form completion and an improved auditing process. Risk assessments, timesheets, site inductions, toolbox tools. Digitize any of your paper forms and utilize the full power of Reflow. Make your forms dynamic where they adapt based on the information being submitted to capture additional data or skip unnecessary sections. Our forms work completely offline and you can save as you go on submission. Forms are stored until a connection is established and then automatically go straight into the cloud, immediately available to view as PDFs in the management dashboard. Perfect if you're working on a remote road with no signal.
At the moment we'll receive any site change information within 30 seconds, which is invaluable to us as a business.
They've given us a system that is capable of capturing really complex information in a really simple way. The key is that we can change the way the forms look for the users without them knowing that the changes are taking place. It happens in the background and all of a sudden they're answering a new question, which is actually the question we wanted them to answer. Since implementing Reflow, the form compliance has been amazing. We've had forms come back when we need them with the information that we want on them on time. It's great.
Reflow's powerful workflow will give field users the ability to take photos using the device camera, annotate, mark up and even add measurements to the picture. Each image is time and date stamped and then automatically attached to a form and project. Provide records of work done, damage caused, or even document an accident. Our field management software includes the ability to generate quotes and invoices as PDFs tied together in one place against a project. Create an itemized list for your job and Reflow automatically calculates any quantities in the dashboard. Create quote history against a project with the press of a button. Set a status against that quote, and if it's altered or defined by a client, amend your prices accordingly and generate another quote using your itemized list. Pull the relevant list information through to carry out works. When the project is ready for invoicing, so are you with the press of a button. Succeed beyond workflow management and protect your cash flow with Reflow.
It makes my life easier because once that client has the correct amount of paperwork that we're invoicing for, they're going to pay that invoice a lot quicker.
See the immediate state of operations, enabling data-driven decisions to improve costs, increase safety, and promotes efficiency. We create bespoke reports which generate focused feedback you can act on. Bespoke reports can be pulled instantly from data in any format you require. For example, comparing skill sets in each location or actual wage costs per site. There's a lot of power to Reflow, and it's been finely tuned to support the civil engineering sector. These are the basics of Reflow Civils, but once you've customised it to your company's ways of working, there's so much more you can do with it.